I'm gonna show you on how you can make using these one fork and two spoons. I did this in FL Studio Mobile, but you can try any software or app that at least has reverb, EQ, and this distortion. First off, for a vibrating sound like this, I hang one of the spoons with string. Then you can try smacking it with another spoon. Next off, for the core part of our craft, the impact. I did it by dropping all of the ingredients together, creating a great amount of layers of sounds. Now let's dive into the audio design. Import the sounds, give the filters I just mentioned from the beginning, then we'll play with the reverb. Make sure to keep the core impact heard by keeping the dry adjustment high, and the more wet it is, the more spacious it sounds. Next, the distortion. Just keep it heardable, please. Next off, the most confusing, the most questionable filter almost every music composer have ever encountered. But once you understand what it is, it becomes the most reliable tool ever. Just take a listen to this. Play around until you make it to the level where it's not too bold nor too light. This is not the end of our lesson, pal. Now try to turn down the pitch of the sound. Boom! This is what we got. And what I'd like to do is to copy the layer of the sound and have the same sounds, except it has its default pitch and less filters. I honestly don't know if this affects that much, but I'm sure it does. So here's our craft. Oh yeah, I'll put the link for the sound in the description if you want to use my already crafted sounds. But the thing you need to remember is that the sounds aren't separated. You need to chop it one by one, okay?